In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable and ClickUp. This integration will streamline your workflow by allowing these two powerful tools to communicate seamlessly. We'll be using a third-party service called Zapier to help with this integration, and I'll guide you through every step to make this as smooth as possible. First, head over to Zapier. Zapier is a service that connects different apps, allowing them to work together without needing any coding expertise. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially a workflow that consists of a trigger and one or more actions. This is what facilitates the integration process. Once you've clicked on Create, you'll need to navigate to the Zaps section. This is where you can manage and see all your existing Zaps. But today, we're focusing on creating a new one. In the search field, type in Airtable to ClickUp. This will help specify the trigger action dynamic, where an event in Airtable will trigger an action in ClickUp. Zapier will provide you with some options or templates that you can choose from. Now, wait for the instructions to load. This might take a few moments. You'll notice a window popping up on the right side of your screen. This is your instruction panel, which will guide you through the connection process. During this setup, you may be prompted to sign in to both your ClickUp and Airtable accounts. If you haven't already, make sure you have your account credentials handy. Zapier needs access to execute the integration properly, ensuring the necessary permissions are granted. As you follow the prompts, remember to pay close attention to the details. Zapier might ask for specific information about which Airtable base or ClickUp list you want to integrate. So it's good to have clarity on which datasets you'll be working with beforehand. This preparation will save you time and potential confusion later. Click through each setup option presented to you by the Zapier wizard. The prompts are typically intuitive, meaning they guide you step by step in choosing your trigger from Airtable and then the action you want executed in ClickUp. For instance, you might want to trigger a task creation on ClickUp every time a new record is added on Airtable. Once you've completed all the steps and your accounts are linked and configured correctly, give everything a quick review. Double check to ensure your setups align with your initial objectives and that you've correctly mapped the data fields you need. When you're satisfied, turn on your Zap and watch the magic happen. With your Zap in place, any task or update you complete on Airtable will automatically reflect on ClickUp, trimming down manual processes and boosting efficiency. Congratulations on completing the integration. This powerful connection can make a significant difference in managing your workflow more fluently, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters.